अच्छा, हम लोग कोहे हनीफ के कोहे हनीफ मड वोल्केनो के बेस कैंप पे आ गए। हनीफ भाई,
जी।
आप हमें यहाँ लेकर आए।
हाँ,
आपके नाम पे वोल्केनो है, ठीक है। तो अब यहाँ से हम ट्रैकिंग शुरू करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। अच्छा, अभी हम लोग एक जगह पे ज़रा थोड़ा सा सुस्ताने के लिए बैठ गए। बाकी पार्टी हमारी, एक पार्टी ये है, ठीक है जी। और एक टीम तो बहुत ऊपर जा चुकी है, गालिबन शायद ऊपर ही पहुंच चुकी हो। बहरहाल हम भी अपनी ट्राई कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम लोग चल रहे हैं। ये पूरा जो आप देख रहे हैं इस वक्त ट्रेन, इसके ऊपर हम चलते हुए हैं। और यहाँ पर आपको आई गेस चंद्रगुप्त वोल्केनो शायद नज़र आ जाए। चंद्रगुप्त मड वोल्केनो,
हाँ वो रहा।
बस ऑलमोस्ट पहुँच गए हम लोग। हाँ, नहीं पहुँचे, बहुत मुश्किल है चढ़ना जी। ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि यार ऊपर किसी तरह से हम लोग पहुंच सकें। ट्राई करें। Alright, so we are on the hike of Kohe Hanif mud volcano. We are actually walking on this terrain, and this terrain is pretty difficult to walk on because of these holes, as you're seeing. Some places these holes are really big, and you actually have to find your way between them. It's exactly like a maze, and this surface actually is a rooftop of a cave system. If you can see here, this is a cave system, and this cave system is like a network that is lying underneath this whole surface, and all these holes are actually opening up into these cave system which is below our feet. So Daniel, how's your feeling about discovery of all these cave system and the terrain itself?
The most interesting part about this cave is that apart from it being very deep, it might be having a what do you call a mud lava, some sort of non-lava flowing underneath it, or some sort of a very interesting creatures might be inside. Who knows?
Who knows?
It'll be interesting to go inside, that's it.
Yeah, but I think the accessibility is really poor. It's pretty hard for us to actually go down there. Yeah, but someone should come here and discover. And these are like the cave system that's coming from the top of the mountain, and we are on the hike. Let's see what more things.
Like Cappadocia.
It's sort of that, but it's formed by because of the mud volcanic activity, and there are certain crystal formations that you can keep finding on this surface. For example, if you see this, so this is a crystal that you can find everywhere. Yeah, see, there it is. So,
and very interestingly, you have the mud structure underneath it, and on the tip you find stone or crystal. That's probably silica based.
Yeah, probably. So here it is, one more. So if you can see, this is a pretty nice crystal. If we clean it up, it will definitely shine a lot. And we have found various different caves so far on this devil's teeth type of terrain of the mud glacier of Mount Hanif mud volcano. It's mud glacier is a unique sort of the landscape and terrain that is created by the flow of mud from the mud volcano over a period of hundreds and thousands of years, and these actually contains caves underneath, and these cave systems are open, have some open mouths on top of this rooftop certain places, and this is one of them, and this is for example, and then there are a few more here. So this is a pretty interesting structure, and all the other places of this mud glacier is filled with these type of holes, which actually open up into the cave system underneath, and this all place is actually filled with that. Look at this. So we are exploring more, and we'll let you know more about whatever we find here. अभी इन आर्चेस का ज़रा आप सिस्टम देखें, ये देखें, चेक करें ज़रा आप, ये आर्चेस हैं, ये देखें. So, what we found on Kohe Hanif mud volcano are these crystals. So, everywhere on the surface of the mud glacier of Kohe Hanif, whenever we pick up a dried mud sample, what we found inside are these crystals. So you can see these are shining, and when we plug them out and wash them, these are like shiny translucent crystals, and then there are even bigger ones as well. So it's not just small crystalline particles inside it, but these are pretty big ones as well, as you can see. So Kohe Hanif mud volcano's landscape, its terrain, its mud glacier are very amazing, and you find very different type of things in just one go, and find these type of interesting objects which you usually don't find anywhere else, especially the crystals right inside the dried mud. So if you see from here, it looks like it's a dried mud, but when you plug it out and break it and see that these are the crystals that are present inside it. So it's everywhere on that volcano. Thank you. This is Matthew Sen, and I will come up with more interesting information about these mud volcanoes in Balochistan. Thank you.